Hey everyone! Today we're pairing Python lists using zip. It locks elements from multiple lists together into tuples. Let's look at the code. Okay. The output is 1 online, 2 offline, 3 busy. The standard zip stops as soon as the shortest list ends, dropping the remaining data from longer list. But what if you're working with time series or financial data and can't afford to lose any datasets? To keep going until the longest list is finished, use zip underscore longest from the itertools module. Okay. Now, look at the output. Python automatically fills the missing gaps with none. However, none values can crash your formulas. To fix this, you can set a custom placeholder using the fillvalue parameter. Okay, perfect. Now we get unknown instead of none. This is a lifesaver for handling asymmetrical dataset safely. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe. Happy coding!